Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my channel for the first time, then I'm Shravya. I do videos related to beauty, fashion, lifestyle, cooking, experimental cooking, DIY, whatever comes in my mind. So today is the another video where I'm going to show you the DIY hair mask in this summer to get that silky smooth hair. And yeah, if you want to know what is that DIY, what I have used in that and how I used it, then please keep on watching. Before heading to the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload video every Wednesday and Saturday. Now let's jump into the video. So few days back I was trying a DIY hair mask. That hair mask works wonder. Trust me guys, that DIY mask works wonder. But right now I'm going under some dermatologist hair treatment, so I can't apply the DIY mask on my hair. Not the DIY mask, not even the oil, not even the heat tools, nothing. Just the products which has been recommended by dermatologist. That's it. So that's why the reason is my hair is little bit in the rough way. But this DIY is being tried and tested by me, and I'm going to add the clipping where I have applied it, and I'm going to show you the after result also of this. So yeah, I will be adding this clipping after this.
So yeah, for this DIY you need to take a bowl. In that you need to add honey. All the measurements of this DIY will be given in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box. Now we need to add coconut oil. You can add any coconut oil. Here I am adding aloe vera plus coconut oil of Parachute. The next ingredient is conditioner. I am here adding Dove Daily Shine conditioner. You can add any conditioner of whatever you're using. Next is the aloe vera gel. Here I am using Indus Valley aloe vera gel. You can use any aloe vera gel of your choice. If you have a fresh one, that's well and good. Now you need to add one lemon. Whole lemon you need to squeeze inside it. Next is the last ingredient, which is glycerin. You will get this glycerin in any chemist shop. Now mix all the ingredients properly such that the conditioner is mixed well. Conditioner is the one ingredient that will take time to mix, so mix it very well. It should be something like that after mixing. Now divide your hair into two halves and start applying the DIY hair mask from the mid of your hair. Now keep it in the mind that don't apply this DIY face mask to your scalp because it can cause dandruff due to conditioner. So avoid your scalp area and apply it from the mid of your hair. I have applied oil on my scalp. If you want, you can follow the same. You can apply it section by section or as shown in the video, as your preference. But apply it nicely to each and every strand of your hair. After that, keep it in a knot and leave your hair for around 30 minutes. If less than that, you can keep it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you need to wash with your regular shampoo. I have used here Dove Daily Shine shampoo. You can use normal shampoo whatever you're using. After washing, it will be looking something like that. I haven't used any mousse, any serum or something. It is just after the hair wash, and I have left it for the air dry. You can see the silky smooth hair.
Yeah, as you've seen on the video, I have tried it and I have tested it, and then only I'm showing you in the video. I love that DIY mask. I swear by the DIY hair mask, but the only the thing is, as I've told, I'm under the treatment with the dermatologist products. Once I have done with the treatment, I will be back with the DIY mask. I swear by that DIY hair mask that works wonder for my hair. Trust me guys, it gives you the instant result, instant smoothing to your hair. And yeah, you try it and let me know in the comment section down below. And the ingredients which I have used in the DIY mask are also easily available in our home itself only. If not, you will get in the medical store in very cheaper price. So yes, if you like the video, don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be super soon catching with a new video. Till then, bye.